Hey guys, welcome to Proto as point. Okay, so in this photo tutorial, we will check out how to give a simple animation effect while switching between pages. So here as you can see, this is the screen 1, and when I press on this image, it will go to screen 2 with simple animation effect. So when I press it, so as you can see, this is the screen 2 with the animation effect from page 1 to page 2. Okay, so in this video tutorial we will build this. Okay, so here I have created a new Flutter project in my Android Studio IDE. So this is the default code. When a button is been pressed, the variable get incremented. So I will just remove the default code given by Flutter team and create my own stateful widget. Okay, so this simply has a container and nothing else. Okay. Okay, so I will just fast forward the basic things. Okay, so I have gave a app bar. So in body tag, we need to show a image. So I will just add a container over here. So this container will have a child as a image. So for that, we need to create a image assets folder, a directory. So I will just create it. So just create a directory. Take any images and just paste it to this folder. Okay, so this is my image. So to give permission to access this folder, so for that you need to go to pub specification.yaml file. So under this flutter tag, you need to undo this assets properties. Okay, so this is the path. So root, then the image folder. So I need to access all the images of this folder, so I will just keep this empty. So if you want to access specific images, you can enter the image name over here .png, something like this. So I will just keep this empty because the all the images in this folder can be accessed. So after adding this, just hit this button pub get. Okay, so in this container I will just show the image by making use of image assets and the path of the image, that is images dot files dot png. Okay, so I will just restart the app now. Okay, so as you can see, the image is over here. So I will just specify the size of the image. Size of the image means the container. Okay, so this is the image size. I can give it as something, can do it 50, so it will be visible for you guys. Okay, so okay, and then I will just wrap the container with a widget called as hero. That is a Flutter package that helps us in showing animation effect while switching between pages. So it requires a tag. So as you can see over here, requires a tag. Tag is basically name of a transaction. So I can just give a name of a transaction as hero1. Okay, and then I need to switch between pages. So when a user press on this image, I need to switch between pages. So what I will do is I will just wrap this hero to a widget, that is gesture detector, so that whenever user press on this image, we can switch this pages. Okay, So here will be a command to switch between pages, the navigation command. So before doing that, I need to create our second screen. So I will just create it, screen 2, import material dot, make it stateless widget or anything you want, name of the class screen 2, and I will just copy paste our scaffold widget over here. Okay, so in the second screen there is no need of this gesture detector, so I will just remove it, and instead I will just wrap this hero widget to our center, so that when a button is been pressed, the second page, this same image will come at the center of the screen. Okay, so in our second page the tag name should be same as it is in main.dart page, as you can see, so that it can identify which transition it should animate. Okay, so now our screen has been created. So when a button is been pressed, I need to perform some action. So for that I will make use of navigator to switch between pages. Okay, so now I will just restart our app. Okay, so our app got installed. So when I press on this image, it is going to our second page with a smooth animation effect. So as you can see, with a transition duration of 2 seconds. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to use hero widget to show animation effect while switching between pages. So please do subscribe Proto Coders Point. Thank you.